Hi everyone. In this video, I want to quickly run over some common problems you might encounter when attempting to generate a template and how to quickly attempt to troubleshoot them. The most common question you might encounter is why won't this field populate within my template when I generate it? The first step to addressing this problem is to first look at where you're generating the template from. Depending on where you raise the template from, changes what kind of data the template can pull. For this example, I'm going to raise a template from my example contacts contact page through the Actions dropdown. I'm going to select to raise an academic progress report. You'll see that when I generate my template, that a lot of the unit-related information isn't populating as expected, even though I can see that my student is enrolled in a class that should be pulling through unit information. It's not pulling through due to where I'm raising the template from. The same logic would apply if, for example, inside a workshop page, I choose to raise the same report, which has class and unit-related information. The first step to troubleshooting your issue is looking at what kind of information you're pulling and where you're pulling it from. Now, I'm going to raise the exact same template, but this time from inside my class matrix page to ensure that my template can populate with the information it needs. Inside my class matrix page, I'm going to hover over Communication and select Templates and generate the same report as before. You'll now see that my fields are generating as expected. From this, you can see how the location where you generate the template from matters. If you're finding that your templates aren't populating correctly, it's generally a good idea to first check your template fields and then to double check where you're raising your actual template from. The next problem you may encounter is why won't my custom field pull in information correctly when I generate my template? The first step you want to take in situations like these is to double check your custom field itself, in particular, what it's linking to. As we explored before, a custom field storing data related to classes might not populating correctly if you're raising your template from a workshop matrix, for example. Spelling and formatting errors are also often causes for custom fields failing to generate correctly. To reduce room for error, I'd recommend relying on copying and pasting your elements together. As a reminder, under student-related fields inside your template editor, you can copy and paste this pre-formatted placeholder custom field. Inside your custom fields menu, in order for your custom field to work correctly in your templates, you need to use its variable name, which you define during its initial creation. Again, I'd simply recommend copying this, heading back to your template editor, selecting the placeholder asterisks, and pasting your variable name. I would then recommend highlighting all of this text and use the clear formatting option up here. That about sums it up for this video, covering the most common template generation problems you'll likely come across. To summarize, it's important to keep in mind where you're raising your template from and what your fields are referring to. For using custom fields within your templates, ensure that you follow the right formatting. Keep in mind that it's the variable name that you need to reference. Lastly, double check what the custom field itself links to. As always, thanks for watching.